discuss about the electron periods and groups. In the periodic table you can see the columns and the rows. The columns are the groups and the rows are the periods. These are the atomic numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will discuss about the 20 elements of the periodic table. Here the first element is hydrogen. It bears only one electron. Remember that the first shell has the maximum capacity of 2 electrons, the second shell 8, and the third shell is also has the capacity of 8. So if the element has more than 2 electrons, then 2 electrons will be in the first shell and the next electron will be in the next shell. For example, lithium, beryllium, 2 electrons in the first shell, 2 electrons in the second shell because it has the atomic number of 4. Boron, similarly carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. These are the group 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the group 8 we can see they have complete outermost shell. Complete duplet means 2 electrons or complete octet 8 electrons. In the first shell 2, in the second shell 8. In the first shell 2, second shell 8, third shell also 8. So all the elements of the group 8 have complete outermost shell. If we observe that in first group all elements have 1 electron in their outermost shell. In the second group all elements have 2 electrons in their outermost shell. Third group 3 electrons, fourth group 4, 6, 7, similarly 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the group number tells us the total number of valence electron, means the number of valence electron in the outermost shell. But if we see the first period 2 elements both have 1 shell. In the second 2 shells, 2 shells, 2 shells, 2 shells. Third 3 shells, 3 shells, 3 shells, 3 shells. So the period number tells us the number of shells. If I ask you that if an element is present in group 7 and it has the period number third period, so you can easily find its electronic configuration. Third period shows the element has 3 shells, and we know that in the first shell 2 electrons must be present, in the second 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many electrons in the valence shell? The group 7 shows the 7 electron in the valence. So if we count, the atomic number will be 17. So it means the element is chlorine. So if you have these two things, period number and group number, you can easily find the atomic number of that element and electronic configuration. Thank you.